Hello everyone, my name is Nicole Savule and I'm here to talk about my final venture pitch for my entrepreneurship class. My idea is an all-inclusive boarding facility for horses, right here in Naples, Florida. The problem, here in Naples it's very high cost living. So for hobbies you can imagine that's gonna be high cost living as well. The prices here are so high, it's unbelievable hard to have a horse here in Naples, Florida. The prices here average 2,000 to 3,000 a month just to take care of one horse. There is also not enough space in our area and unfriendly environment. The barns I've been with, they have been very upstuck and not friendly at all. They don't feel like family to me. The solution, a barn that I will build that will offer affordable pricing start at $600 a month, caring for all needs, the feed, the hay, the vet, although you pay for the vet, I just wait for the vet to come and do your thing at the barn. We offer a friendly environment. We offer a family feel environment that will make you feel like you're at home, but you are at the barn with your horse. And we offer 25 acres of long grassy pastures. Here are some pictures of how it might look like. There's a pasture with 2 horses. That's how we propose to have a horse with 3 kids and a horse riding instructor, and of course the money sign, because everyone wants to know how much this hobby costs. It's already expensive as hell, so we're going to try and make it as affordable as we can. Our underlying magic and technology, such as a marketing tool, we will offer free lessons with all the boarded horses at our stable. 2 times a month you have free lessons with a riding instructor in our outside arena. We offer clinics offered throughout the month with instructors coming from out of state and well-known areas from all sports such as eventing, dressage, as well as jumping and trail ridings. We will have a horse show annual at our barn, which you will have free entry to join us and win some prizes. Here are some pictures of how a horse show rink will be at our arena, our farm. We'll offer some horse shows, some clinics, and some lessons. Competitions. For our competition, we have local boarding barns that are charging very low prices, such as like $200 a month, but you have to come to the barn every day to feed your horses, take care of them, milk the stalls, clean them after the poop, as well as washing them, riding them, and doing everything you have to do, which takes about 4 hours mostly. If you're experienced, maybe 2 hours. But these are the local barns that are offering. There's also barns that are offering all the amenities we have for a lower price. Say my price would be a $600 fee a month, while these barns would be say $300, $200 a month. So this is the type of competition that we have in our area. Predictions and milestones. We hope to be open by January 2021. We will have an indoor riding arena, which is hopefully soon, and we will have our pastures growing grass as soon as possible so our horses can ride in. You can roam in freely and not have to worry about space. This is the covered arena that we're supposed to have by in a few years and the pastures that we plan to have. Currently, our pastures are very sandy. We are currently clearing the land from all the trees. We are clearing 5 acres for this barn to be have been built. So, yes, the pastures are currently sandy. There's no irrigation and there's no wood fence. So it's all dirty right now. And for the covered arena, it's projected that we will spend around $120,000 to have this arena put in place. Our status and timeline. We hope to be open by January 2021. Our barn is currently being built. We have 5 acres of trees being cleared out currently at this moment. This morning I was on the tractor pulling out trees. What a coincidence. As well as the barn is being built, we have been putting permits in, so it's gonna take a little bit while to have them approved so we can start building the concrete and then the poles and then the stalls, which are being shipped right now. They're custom made, 5 of them. They're coming from Virginia from a well-known stall maker for the horse industry. So the stalls are going to look pretty nice. They're very rustic and very modern at the same time. And then this barn will be a 5-stall barn, which will have a tack room. 5-stall barn is a 5-horse barn, so the limit is 5, currently with the amount of acres that we have. The more we cut down of trees and make more of space for the horses, the more we can have more horses. As time goes on, we will increase the amount of stalls that we're allowed to have. But for right now, to start small, we will start with 5 horses. Our summary and call to action. We are looking for a mentor that has experience with the horse industry and that can help us manage our business well. Such as barn managers, we are looking for a well-known veterinarian as well farrier that we can trust and have an on-time call at all times. We're looking for 2 riding instructors that can come in weekly to teach our riders. The riders are the ones that are boarding our place. The 5-horse means any rider can have 5 horses our barn, and that will be the limit. Or you can have 5 individuals with their own horses. So that will be, and each rider will have 2 lessons free every month to come in and have an instructor give them a 60-minute lesson at our arena outside. And that's all. Thank you very much, and I hope you can invest in us and follow along in our journey. Thank you, Nicole Zavalette.